I'm at the Alive to Green Sustainable Water Resource Conference and Exhibition at Emperor's Palace in Johannesburg, and I'm standing with Gordon from Aquathin. Gordon, tell me, what does Aquathin do?
Aquathin are a company that specializes and concentrates on purification of water.
Okay, and I can see you have a range of different products here. Tell me, say for instance, for a home user, what would be the benefit of using your product as opposed to, say, one of those things you attach to your taps?
The unit attached to the tap is a carbon filter, which is quite small and therefore has a small lifetime, and it purifies water by taking out a certain number of impurities such as discoloration, odors and flavors, and some organic compounds. The more elaborate systems take out heavy metals and bacteria and viruses which do occur in water from particularly boreholes and some smaller towns.
Okay, yeah, and I suppose that's very relevant, especially in today's world, with all the chemicals and hormones that are in the waters, and this over here, this is for what would this machine over here be for?
This product that we have here is we developed locally for rural communities where there is no piped water available and no electrical supply. So the villager would take water from his local stream or dam or wherever he is finding water. He would pour it into the top of the machine, and then it gets pumped by hand through two filters, the carbon filter and secondly a filter that removes bacteria and viruses. And from the bottom tank he is able to obtain filtered water, which will importantly have, amongst others, the cholera bacteria removed, which is, as we know, a real problem in many country areas. So for the rural community who has no services, this can be a lifesaver.
That's fantastic. Also, another interesting thing that what is the extent to which a home user would go to actually purify their water nowadays? What is the demand that you see in the trends that are happening?
For years, people have gone for a system in the kitchen for rendering their drinking and cooking and kettle water safe. The modern trend in many areas, and mainly the small towns, but it's growing even into the larger cities, is a system that purifies the water where it enters the home, so that the inhabitants, the occupants of the home, are bathing and showering and brushing their teeth using water of a better standard than comes in through their piping.
That's great. Thank you very much, Gordon. Thank you very much for answering our questions today.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.